Keep watching for a full tutorial on this Happy Mother's Day card with optional rhinestone accents. Shown here and linked below are all of the specific items that you'll need to make this Happy Mother's Day card. The first step to make this card is to take your base paper and pencil and draw out the design. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you have everything drawn out in pencil, switch over to your silver metallic pen and draw in the lettering. An easy way to customize this design would be to simply change the colors or perhaps what color of metallic pens you're using for the different various elements of the card. Once I had the lettering complete, I continued on with my silver pen and I made the little dot accents that make up the heart background also silver. And once you have those complete, that wraps up what you'll need your silver pen for. So then I switched over to the gold metallic pen and I picked a few select elements in the kind of background heart design to color in gold. So I chose the two leaf components at the top of the heart shape and then a few other various elements throughout the design. And once I'd completed everything in gold, I simply switched over to my copper metallic pen and filled in the remaining elements of the card copper. Once you have everything colored in with your metallic pens, you could simply leave the card like this if you want a really simple version. What I did was I went in with a thin black pen and I outlined everything. So I started with the lettering and I simply just traced around the outside of each of the letters to kind of make that lettering in the center pop out. And then I simply repeated that process for the other various elements that kind of make up that heart design in the background that frame or kind of shape or mold around the lettering. So I simply took the same thin black pen and outlined the gold and copper and then little silver accents of the heart. I find that this step is time consuming, I'll be honest, but it really does make the lettering in all of these elements really pop and stand out. So if you have the time and you like the way it looks, I highly suggest you do it. Once I'd completed that, I quickly took my eraser and just eliminated any remaining pencil lines that I had or that were still visible. And once you've finished removing any pencil lines and done your black outlining, you could again leave the card at this stage. However, I decided to take it a little bit further as I wanted some extra sparkly accents on the card. And so I simply placed a few rhinestones at various places on the card. And then once I was happy with their placement and layout, I just took my fast drying glue and I glued them all on. And once the glue is dry, the rhinestone version of this card is complete. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for this Happy Mother's Day card.